Hello students, I hope you all are doing absolutely good and your studies are also going well. So today I have brought a worksheet for you to practice about proverbs and idioms, which I have already discussed and explained to you in some of the previous videos. So without wasting much time, let's begin today's session. The first question is here for you. Find the correct meaning of the underlined idioms. The new office building they built has become a white elephant. They have to spend a lot of money to keep it neat and clean, but hardly anyone is interested in renting it. Now, what is the meaning of here a white elephant? Here are the options for you. A white elephant with a large trunk, something that is nice to look at, something that is costly to build or maintain and provides little benefit, and the last one, something that is cheap to obtain or maintain and provides lots of benefit. So yes, here the correct answer is number C. It means a white elephant means something that is costly to build or maintain and provide little benefit. So the new office building they built has become costly, okay, and it was very difficult for them to maintain. All right, so I hope you have understood what is the meaning of the idiom white elephant. It means something that is costly to build or maintain and provides little benefit. Now let's have a look to the next question. The next question here is find the correct meaning of the underlined idioms. Everyone can see that he is not telling the truth and shedding crocodile tears. Now what is the meaning of this idiom shedding crocodile tears? Wiping off the tears, crying with no tears, kill crocodiles, or pretending to cry like fake tears. So yes, this is very common and very popular expression. So the correct answer will be pretending to cry with fake tears. The next one is leader of the party requested to not to react to the opponent's dirty actions and stay away from tit for tat kind of behavior. Now what is the meaning of tit for tat? To reciprocate opposite, to reciprocate in kind, to stay at home, or to stay away. So what will be the answer? Here the answer will be to reciprocate in kind, means in the same way how the other had done. Okay, so the correct answer will be number B, to reciprocate in kind, isn't it? So these expressions we use in our general conversation, right? And these are some very popular and common proverbs and idioms. Now let's have a look to the next question. My brother gave thumbs up to the new movie. Now what is the meaning of this expression thumbs up? To mark down, to give speech, to dislike, or to give approval? Yes, so here the correct answer will be to give approval, means my brother gave approval to the new movie. This is the right meaning of this idiom. When Tina saw Polk High team winning, she jumped on the bandwagon and began Polk High fan. Now what is the meaning of jumped on? To jump high, to be a fan, to follow the popular trend, or to jump down on the cart? Yes, so the correct answer here is to follow the popular trend, isn't it? So this is the meaning of this expression jumped on. Now let's see the next one. Please keep an eye on those kids playing outside. There are some strangers walking around. What is the meaning? Pull someone's eyes, able to see far, hear someone constantly or check something regularly. Yes, so here keeping eyes means check something regularly. So number D is the correct answer of this statement. Now let's have a look on the next question. Global warming is melting icebergs in Antarctica. Sooner or later we will find sea levels rising. Now what will be the correct meaning of sooner or later? Very fastly, eventually, near ocean or away from ocean. So yes, sooner or later means eventually. Okay, we will find sea levels rising. Here is the next question for you. We are ready. Here is the next sentence. We are ready. We will start running as soon as we get the green light from the coach. Now what is the meaning of get the green light? Start without permission, work with coach, get the necessary ticket or get the necessary permission. So yes, you have guessed absolutely right. Here the correct answer will be get the necessary permission. That is the correct meaning of the expression get the green light. Now let's see the ninth one. President of the company is under fire for defrauding and collecting illegal frauds for personal use. Now what is the meaning of under fire? Being praised, being criticized or attacked, walking on fire or sick. So the correct answer of this sentence is being criticized or attacked. This is the correct answer of this statement. Last but not the least of this session, which company will get a contract to complete this bridge is still up in the air. What is the correct meaning of this underlined items? Still up in the air, undecided, under construction, find a company or finish something. So here the correct answer is undecided. Okay, this bridge is undecided, means which company will get the contract, it is still undecided. So students, I guess you were also doing this exercise along with me. Here are all the answers, you can match from here also. Okay, so that's all for this video. I recommend you to practice a lot, learn these items and use it in sentence formation. This is the best way to make proper use of these expressions and learn them. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you so much.